Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Tech Steps channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to set up a password for your account on Windows 11 quickly and easily. First, press Windows Y to open the Settings menu. Alternatively, you can click the Windows icon on the taskbar, type Settings, and select the appropriate result. Once the Settings interface opens, select Accounts from the menu on the left. Next, click on Sign In Options. Under the Sign In Options section, you'll see Password. Click on it, then select Add to begin setting up a new password for your account. A window will appear, prompting you to enter the password you want to use. Type in your desired password, then re-enter it in the confirmation field below. You can also add a password hint, which can be helpful if you forget your password in the future. After filling in all the information, click Next, then click Finish to complete the password setup process. Now, every time you restart your computer or log out, the system will require you to enter your password to log in. This helps protect your personal information and data on your computer. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our other helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.